Hello children, myself Shubha Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue chapter 7 quadratic equations. So in this quadratic equation, chapter 10 quadratic equation, here how to derive quadratic formula. Today I am going to explain for you derivation of quadratic formula. So heading is derivation of quadratic formula. For this children, first you have to write what is the general form of quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. First step, if they ask you to derive the formula, first you write general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So already you used the steps by using completing the square method to solve for quadratic equation. You have used the same steps you have to follow to derive the quadratic formula also. Whatever your general form of quadratic equation, what is the power to term coefficient is a. So by a you divide all these three terms. Divide by a. This is first step. You have to remember. If we divide, you will get ax square divided by a plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. It becomes a get cancelled. Then after this step children, x square first term, this is b by a x. Then this is what is the coefficient of the term x children here, b by a. That you have to divide by 2. b by a divide by 2. So if we divide by 2, it reduces in this form. A comes in the denominator. b divided by 2a it becomes. So then square it. You square this. Square it. After squaring, add once here and subtract once. The value is not going to change. So plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square. Then the remaining term is plus c by a is equal to 0. Already automatically it will convert in the form of identity, that is x plus b by 2a whole square. X plus b by 2a whole square according to identity. Then now you simplify these two. Minus, this is b square divided by 2a whole square means 4a square. 2 square is 4, a square is a square plus c by a is equal to 0. After this step children, now you take LCM for these two. X plus b by 2a whole square minus, if I take LCM for these two, 4a square is the LCM. Because a is here, highest power is a and 4 only one term is there. So for 4a square and a, the LCM of 4a square and a is 4a square only children. Then 4a square is as it is this one, b square plus it will get cancelled, only 4a remains, 4a into c, 4ac is equal to 0. Then after simplification of this much, you will take this whole term that side, it becomes positive. Or minus sign, if I take it common, it becomes x plus b by 2a whole square. So now minus sign you take it common for both. Then b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square is equal to 0. So this whole term is equal to, if I take it, it becomes b plus, it becomes b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. So if I apply both side square root symbol, if I apply square root symbol, it becomes, children, x plus b by 2a. Why? Means this square and this square root symbol, it will get cancelled. This is equal to plus or minus. So we don't know what is the square root of b square minus 4ac. But we know the square root of 4 as 2 and a square as a. I can write it. So square root symbol cannot come for denominator. Only square root it applies for numerator, because the b square minus 4ac is a single term. You cannot apply separate. After this step, children, now b by 2a you take it this side. So x is equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Then 2a is common. LCM denominator is same, means I can add or subtract the numerator. 2a as it is written. Then minus b plus or minus root square root of b square minus 4ac. This is only a quadratic formula. This is called as quadratic formula. This is called as quadratic formula. Here two roots are there. If I use plus sign once, then one root it becomes minus sign. If I use it another root it becomes. So this is a way of deriving the quadratic formula. Children, when they ask for you to find out the quadratic formula, then you have to write it for standard form of quadratic equation. Then you divide by a, you get it in this form. Then afterwards, what is the coefficient of x you observe? So that you divide by 2, children. So it becomes b by 2a, square it. After squaring, you have to add ones or you have to subtract ones. Value we are not going to change. So but we need that term. So we will add it once and we will subtract it once. So same steps what you used in completing the square method, same steps if you use it, and after simplification. So here be careful, take LCM for these two, and here minus sign we want both the term, be careful here. Here minus and here is not there. So this minus sign is not applicable for this. So what I do it, I take for both the term minus sign common, means it becomes plus, and this is minus, it becomes after simplification. Minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, it becomes same. Then after taking minus sign common, then you have to take it this side, and if I apply both the sides square root symbol, children, this square and this square root, it will get cancelled. Then x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then you take it this term this side, it becomes minus b by 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here 2a, denominators are same, means what you can do it, you can add the numerator by saying the sign. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. This formula is called as quadratic formula. So here it has two roots. So once we can use it minus sign and once we can use it plus sign. So we have two roots. If the condition, children, write down this much you write down. Children, therefore, when we derive the formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. So if b square minus 4ac, if b square minus then the roots are real. We will get the real roots. So then the roots are, one is, so I am going to write it like this way. 1 by using plus sign, x is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is one root. By applying plus sign to them here, if I apply a minus sign, another one root it becomes, and x is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is another one root. Quadratic equation always will be having two roots. So once we have to use it plus sign and once we have to use it minus sign. So if this condition exists, a real root exists only when b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, if it is less than 0, that is negative, there is no real roots. The real root will not exist. The real root will not exist. You have to remember this. Okay? The real root will not exist. No real roots. Okay, you have to remember this formula is called as quadratic formula. By using this quadratic formula, we have to solve a quadratic equations. Okay? Write down this much. Done? So by using quadratic formula, 10.3 exercise, second main. Find the roots of the quadratic equations given in question number 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. The same first main questions we have to solve it by using quadratic formula, children. So now I am going to solve by using quadratic formula the first main questions only. In second main we have to solve it. Okay, second main. First one, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then, children, when they tell for you to solve by using quadratic formula, so you observe this question first, whether all these three terms is arranged properly according to standard form of quadratic equation or what. Power 2 term, power 1 term and the constant. Okay, this question is arranged already. Then you compare the given quadratic equation with standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then a value 2, b value minus 7, c value 3. Comparing with that, you write these three values. Then write the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You practice this formula by writing them. Okay? Then substitute the values. X is equal to minus of b means minus 7 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 7 whole square minus 4ac. 4a value is 2, c value is 3. Then divided by 2a. So then simplify now. X is equal to minus plus 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 4 to the 8 3 are 24 divided by 2a. Then after simplification you are going to get x is equal to 7 plus or minus 49 minus 24 is 25 divided by 2a value is 1. 2a, it is value of a is 2. So if we substitute, then you are going to get 4. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus x value x is equal to 3, r x is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are, x is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the two roots we are going to get by using quadratic formula. Also we get the same answer only. By completing the square method also we got it the same. So by we have used here quadratic formula and we solve this question. Okay children, write down. Children, second question. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Write standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A value is 2, b value is 1, c value is minus 4. Then write the quadratic formula. Then substitute all these values. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square means 1 square minus 4, a value is 2, c value is minus 2. Okay, so this is divided by 2 into a value is 2, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square 1 minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. So this is positive one. Inside b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0. So we will get the roots. 2 2s are 4. Then x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 33 divided by 4. So okay, here 2 roots are there. Therefore, it implies x is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 divided by 4. This is one root. Another root r. X is equal to 1 minus minus 1 minus root 33 divided by 4. Okay? These are the two roots of this quadratic equation. By using quadratic formula, we found the roots of this quadratic equation, children. Okay, in this manner you have to solve quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Third question, children. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Write standard form of quadratic equation. Compare with this. A value is 4, b value is 4 root 3, c value is 3. Then substitute these values in the quadratic formula. Write this quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b value is 4 root 3 plus or minus b square means 4 root 3 whole square minus 4, a value is 4, c value is 3 divided by 2a. A value is 4 here. So multiply and simplify. Minus 4 root 3 divided by plus or minus square root of 4 square is 16. Square root of square root 3 means this will cancel only for 3. For this square root symbol is not there. 3 square means 3 becomes so 3 minus 4 4 is 16. 16 3s are 48. Divided by 8. 0 it becomes. If it becomes 0 also, see now b square minus 4ac value becomes 0. 16 3s are 48 only. So now x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of 48 minus 48 divided by 8. So now we know that it becomes 0. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 divided by 8. So once you use it plus sign, once you use it minus sign. But here the same value 48 minus 48 double term will be the same value. Here it becomes 0. X is equal to 4 1s are 4 2s are minus root 3 by 2 r minus of minus becomes plus x is equal to same two roots you are going to get because this is a quadratic equation. You should have roots, two equal roots here. We are going to get minus root 3 divided by 2. Okay, these two are the equation. For the quadratic equation, these two roots we got it by using quadratic formula. Okay, write down. Children, fourth question now. Fourth question is 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 3. Compare with standard form of quadratic equation. A value is 2, B value is 1, C value is 4. Substituting this, minus b plus r minus root b square means 1 square 4, a means 2, c means 4. Substitute the values, then simplify. X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1, 4 4s are 16, 62s are 32 divided by 4. So the b square minus square 4ac value x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus. This is minus 31. Here see this is negative value. Here this is b square minus 4ac value. b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If it is less than 0, real root cannot exist. Therefore, no real roots. Therefore, no real roots. Okay, because b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. Okay, children, write down and practice daily in home maths. Then you will become perfect. Okay, children, all the best. Children, I am going to explain once again. This is fourth sum. This is the question. Compare with standard form of quadratic equation. Write the value of ABC. Simplify by writing quadratic formula. After simplification, here b square minus 4ac value got less than 0. So if you get less than 0, real root cannot exist. No real root. Okay, children, write down.